today with us Sailu on our MYB talk show. Please welcome Sailu. So Sailu, please tell us about yourself and your activities.
First of all, thank you, sir, for giving this great opportunity. I'm Salashri and I'm counseling psychologist and also I'm a career counselor. Right now, I'm working with Mentoria organization, which is present in Mumbai. And also, I'm working with Basil Mind Institution Wellness Center, which is in Nellore and Bangalore. Uh, the work I'm doing is right now, I'm helping out people, students, especially in their career guidance. And also, I'm taking skill development programs for 8th and 9th, 10 students preferably. Uh, the work we are doing, we are coordinating so many number of schools for development of their skills in their for academic skills and also for their personality development. And here, our great main thing is we are looking for their well-being. So we are training for them life skills as well and also social skills, communication skills, so many kinds of skills. So right now I'm working with these areas of counseling and wellness.
Great.
Yeah.
So please tell us what motivation you got it and from whom to become a psychologist and also involved in this kind of counseling and skill development activities.
Yes. First of all, I have done degree in my microbiology. That was in 2017. But then I did not got interest to do my master's in microbiology to continue my studies in microbiology. Then I was getting, I got interest in psychology. Basically, first of all, I don't know anything that much about psychology in 2017. Then again, even my parents did not agree at all about this psychology thing, and then I started convincing them. Also, now in 2018, I have done my diploma course in psychology field. Then my journey started towards it. I will thank you. I will thank each and every person, my lecturers, and also the clients which I have came across, and myself for giving for my contribution. It's just a very starting of my journey in my professional field. Motivation will be I can thank each and every person in my life. Yeah, that who are helping me out, encouraging me out. That gives me so much self motivation also to lead in this profession.
So great. So what are the challenges you faced and how you transform into opportunities?
Challenges when I took psychology, there was no, there were challenges, but each and every step till today, it was a challenging thing because there is a stigma around in India, so it's a little bit hard work to make sure that we shouldn't use that kind of words like mental health, mental illness. So, while expressing whatever we are trying to, whatever guidance or assistance we are trying to give for so many people, it will be a little bit for convincing them because the big picture will be that they are crazy or they have some kind of a problem. So, that is what I feel, convincing them is a little bit challenging in psychological. But then, most beautiful part is also convincing them at last they'll try to understand that and they're giving us opportunity for helping them out. So that I think that stigma is it takes little time wherever. I'm not telling even that it is easy for other people who are not non-psychologists, who are common people. It is not easy for them to accept services from us, but that is the most challenging and as well as beautiful thing, sir. Convincing them.
Yes.
Sir.
Great.
Yeah.
So, please tell us about your qualities which you feel that they are helpful in your counseling kind of things and guiding the other people and they get attracted to you for counseling. So which
Yes.
qualities you possess or your unique special points?
Yes, yes. First of all, the way I approach it is completely holistic and humanistic. Holistic is a word which we are using very trendy these days, but basically it's not a very different word. Holistic is like whenever I take decisions first into my personal life, I try to look into all the aspects of my life. Like how it's gonna affect my relationship with others and my friends, and also with my social connection, professional people, and how it will affect my own relationship with myself. And I tend to look into the all aspects, all the aspects. Then I try to take decisions. First, I will apply it to myself, how it is helping me out. Then, after thinking about from all the aspects, I try to believe that in a humanistic way. I try to believe that values and beliefs, whatever I got information, I try to believe that. So I'm doing that for the same. My whole intention about counseling, it's not about taking techniques and using them directly. I tend to make them, think about from all the kind of situations, because the person who comes for us for assistance, we can't just think about his point of view. I mean, like he has to go out and step outside of the world, and he has to deal with so many people to apply those techniques. So I try to guide them or assist them to look into all the aspects of their life. So that is what it is helping me out. And more in my future, I'll try to guide all kinds of people in this kind of a way, in holistic and humanistic ways.
Hmm.
Yeah, I think
So,
that will be my favorite quality also
mhm.
about myself. Yeah.
So holistic and you keep empathy for others. That is the main
Yes.
points
Yes.
you have. Yeah, yeah, very good.
Yes. Yes.
Very nice.
Yeah. Thank
So,
you.
can you share any success stories about getting you got
Yes.
some awards for, or
Yes, sir.
whoever you give a counseling,
Yes. Yes.
they improved
Yes. Yes.
their lifestyle. So please
Yes.
share that also.
Yeah, first success story. I mean, like I wanted to say first success story. It was happened in 2017 when I was trying to change my stream. Microbiology psychology. First, my parents they did not agree to get into this field. Then I have a guide, spiritual guide. He's like a more than a guide to us for all of us. Right now, he's not no more. He passed away 1.5 year back. He convinced. Whenever go and discussed about this thing, he asked me first question: Who influenced? Right now, you also asked it at the beginning of the session. Who influenced to take the psychology? So then I told him the same thing. I don't know anything about it right now, but I'm really glad. I will be so great to use my skill in helping out with their personal problems. So then he said only one sentence, especially, okay, you take whatever you want. You take this field. I will be with you wherever you are. So that is one most successful story, because after that, immediately, even my parents they felt so proud about it for my decision and the things I'm doing after that. It is a completely transformation for me. In my personality wise or also academic purposes, the way I reach out people and building connections. So that will be the first success story. His word for me until today and till this minute. He said that he will be with me. And another thing is I started taking clients. I have done workshops also for my master degree purposes. Right now, I'm doing it very professionally. When I'm counseling, sorry, when I'm helping out, guiding out the students for their career of, helping out with them their confusions. There will be a 2.5 hour session, right, with parents and that each student. At the end of the session, they try to convince me that they are okay, they cleared all their confusions with some kind of a guidance from me. So that will be my most recent success thing. That is
Okay.
so it's just a starting thing, whatever I'm doing. But I can see there should be a lot of improvement from my side also. I'm trying to learn each and everything every day.
Mhm. Okay, that's nice. Good.
Yeah.
So, any message you would like to give to the audience?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very important thing is, I would like to tell each and every person to take a pause just for a minute and to appreciate themselves. You know, tap their shoulders that whatever they have faced during these times, in COVID time, and whatever they are facing right now, I would like each and everyone to take a pause, take a 1 minute break, and appreciate themselves completely. And I really wish them that also that they should get more and more strength, courage for the situations that are going to be in their daily lives. I really wish God, or I mean by themselves, they should get more and more strength and power to deal with all those things. First of all, only first thing is to appreciate themselves, no matter which professions or they are not doing, or they are just in home, whomever they can be, just take a pause and appreciate yourselves. And I really wish they should have a they should have more and more strength and courage to deal with all the situational changes that is happening due to COVID.
Okay. Yes. True. So, last but not least,
Yeah.
which are your desires you want to fulfill in near future? Top three desires
Uh,
you have to tell us.
First one is the desire will be it will be a lifelong. First one which I'm supposed to tell, that is first of all redefine myself each and every day. That should without losing my hope. Like adding more and more strengths to my personality to redefine, from week to week about myself. That will be a desirable thing because I shouldn't stop doing that, because if I stop doing that, I can't reach out so many people in my personal and both professional life. And second thing will be, yes, as I mentioned, I should help out more and more people in whoever in distress situations. Right now, I'm trying to reach so many people due to, support from my team, actually, based in mind, which I'm working now. Try to reach so many people and help them out, so many clients with so many things. And also last one will be I have to balance the whole situations, whatever I'm trying to do. I mean, like it is everything, difficulty to handle, but I make sure that I am satisfying myself and I am also satisfying each and everybody. It's a little bit challenging thing satisfying everyone, but I make sure that I'll do that by balancing everything.
Hmm. Thanks a lot.
Yes, sir.
Wish you all the best
Thank you, sir.
in your
Thank you, sir.
career, and all your desires will be fulfilled.
Thank you, sir. And thank you for giving this great opportunity. And all the best for whatever you're trying to reach out so many people. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Thanks a lot. Bye.